Today's topic is not using FedEx ever again. Hey, it's Don. Today we're going to talk about FedEx for just a minute here. It's a service you can use to ship things. I've had numerous issues, including what I'm going to talk about real quick here on just one day's worth of incidences with FedEx alone. This box was dumped off at my house by an unmarked, beat-up old truck with a FedEx package on here. Now, I thought that was weird. Odd part, too, is it's not addressed to me. It has no name similar to me. The street number itself has nothing to do with the house they dropped it off at. The street itself has nothing to do with me as well. This package belongs somewhere else, miles from my house. No inclination how it got on a truck and dropped off at my front door. Now, I called them immediately, wasted my valuable time to tell them this box was there 3 days ago. It's a heavy box. It looks like it's probably a motor or something. Very expensive would be my guess by the weight, the looks, and the numbering on the box. It's definitely a FedEx box. You should be able to see the FedEx logo right there. It's all faded now because this has been sitting out on my porch now for days. Now, I'm not going to drive this down to some FedEx box. First off, it wouldn't fit in there because of the size of the box. The drop boxes here are extremely small. I gave them all the information they needed to come and get the box up. I physically waited on the phone. I spent 10 minutes dealing with that box to help somebody else out because I understand how frustrating it can be when you don't get a package. It's lost or delivered somewhere else. Perfect example. That same day this box was delivered, another panel truck all beat up, rusted, with somebody with ripped up jeans and a torn white t-shirt comes up and delivers a bed piece in a huge box with the box totally messed up. I took a video of it just to show in case there was something wrong with the inside of it. Now, it should have been 2 boxes. I only got 1, so I'm still waiting on the other one. He said he was with FedEx. The label says it's FedEx as well. I have no idea who FedEx is using to deliver their packages, why unmarked FedEx vehicles or these old beat-up trucks are being used. Them leaving a box that doesn't belong to me at my house for 3+ days is crazy as well. It's going to be at least 2 more days before anybody would get here to get it because tomorrow is a Sunday. Next day is as well a holiday. At this point, I'm just going to discard the box without even opening it. It's just not worth my hassle to have to deal or be responsible for something that FedEx has no concern whatsoever. Now, yesterday, I received a call from who knows who. I couldn't understand the person speaking at all. It was obviously someone from another country stating, I think they were with FedEx. The number that they told to return, again, I couldn't even hear to understand. Callback number wasn't on my phone. It didn't match what it says it was. So again, I have no idea what's going on with FedEx in any way, shape, or form. Nor would I ever recommend somebody who would leave some other customer's box at someone else's house without taking any regard to rush somebody over there to pick it up. And if they're short on staff in the first place and they can't get somebody to deliver or they got broken trucks for whatever reason, I wouldn't use them either. If they are accepting boxes that they can't guarantee or aren't concerned about the packages in the first place because they're turning them over to people who they don't even really know, is a big, huge issue for me. Regardless of what they do in the future, I wouldn't use them again unless I had no other choice in the world because this is some of the worst customer service I have ever seen in my life. At least with the post office, if they misdelivered something, the next time they come around, they'll just grab it if that's the case and you can write return to sender. With the FedEx, you're stuck to have whatever's delivered to your house sit there until they decide to pick it up or totally just ignore it. I'm not sure what the case is, but it's just a call out. Just want everybody to be aware of that issue. And it's been going on apparently for quite some time because I have been asking around and other people have been stating the exact same things I just stated as well. So anyway, that's what I have for you today. Hopefully that gave you some ideas, some thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified if I post new content or go live. Subscribe and tell all your friends.
Monster.
He's bigger than big.
When he fights battles, he always wins.
And he's your friend, too.
He breaks his chains.
Put him on you and break away, too.
With my pet monster, you're busting loose.
He's big.
And scary.
And helps people, too.
And he's your friend, too.
My pet monster plays all day.
Tough.
Awesome.
Looking great.
And all your friends will want him for their friends, too.
My pet monster has breakaway chains from Amtoy and American Greetings Company.